I have launched Movie Maker. The program is here in this window on the right, and then in this folder on the left there's two videos that I want to combine together. The first one is this one. I'm going to left click on the mouse and hold and drag it over to this box on the right side, Movie Maker. And usually a gauge comes up showing. I put this one in there earlier and it remembers that, so it's not going to show the gauge. Now I want to combine this image, so I'm going to click and drag it over, and those two, I'm going to click play. That looks good. There's a lot of road noise, so if I click, it'll start at the first clip, go through that, and then it goes to the second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click and hold and slide this over. Go up to video volume. I'm going to left click and slide it to left, which is no volume. There's no volume there. There's still volume or noise in this video on the right, so I'm going to go back to video volume, left click, hold down, and slide to the left. And now there's no sound. I'm going to click play again. No sound in that clip. And no sound in that clip. And I don't want to trim anything off, so now to combine these images or these video clips, I'm going to, you can move these around. If I wanted to move this one on the right to in front of the one on the left, I can just left click, hold, drag it over and let go, and now that clip is first. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to left click, hold, drag it over to there, and then release it. So they're ready to be combined. I'm going to go to File, Save Movie, YouTube. I'm just going to save it to the desktop. I'll call it Water. And it'll be period MP4 file format. So I'm going to click Save. And it says it's saving the movie, and what percent is complete. It's almost done. I'm just going to click close on that, and I'm going to do File, New Project. Do you want to save changes to my movie? I'm going to click No. Now that video is right here. I'm just going to click and drag that into that folder. Now I'm going to open that up and play it. And there's no sound, and the clips have been joined together. I'll probably add sound in YouTube. I think there's like 100,000 different music clips that they have on there that are free, and you can monetize your videos on YouTube. So there you go. Thanks for watching.